Kia ora and welcome. Thanks for being here. I'm Michelle Pete and thanks for coming in to have a look at what's on the inside of Make a Splash, an art journal. It's an interactive art journal. It's been selling really well. In fact, our first print run of 200 sold out in 2 months. So we've just got a new print run done, and that is available in my shop, michellepete.co.nz. Make a Splash is an interactive art journal to support your young person with over 50 topics and prompts to work through some of the tough stuff. When your young person is struggling, it's a safe place, a place where they can work through different topics like bullying, relationships, big changes, self-harm, how to help their friends who are struggling, finding joy, finding a place where they can say, here I am and I'm okay. So let's have a look at some things. Okay, what if? What if you dared to hope for something, believe in something, build anticipation, learn something new, join a group, take up acting, learn an instrument, take singing lessons, perform a poem or a song on an open mic night, share a piece of writing, sing karaoke, do a cartwheel, go on, jump in and make a splash. A thought. The other day my sister said, I wonder if depression is on the up because young people are always looking down at their devices. She said, remember the joy we would get by walking along and talking, looking at the sky and what was around us? I do remember, and I think there might be something to be said. Look up, be bold, be you, be surprised. Our creativity sparks when we look up. Seek joy. Fill these pages in on a good day when you feel part of the world. So I've written a list of prompts here. What are your favourite colours? What gives me joy? Favourite food, animals, people, songs, poems, music, textures, things to do with money, without money, favourite movie, bushwalking. Draw or use words to describe them. Photograph them and collage them into this book. Paint the colours, print into the paint, graffiti your words into the paint, make a mess, have fun with this. And throughout the journal there's blank, well semi-blank pages for your young person to work into. The paper is really nice and thick. It takes print, paint, layers, ink. I've tried it and it works really well. It's a great journal with over 50 prompts. I hope you've enjoyed this little look into this inside of Make a Splash. It's available in my online shop, michellepete.co.nz. Ka kite anō.